Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to get a free domain. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so getting a free domain is possible, but there are some limitations to be aware of. Typically, free domains are offered with certain conditions, such as limited extension options or with a free trial for the first year. But I've jotted down a few different ways how to get this. So number one here, free subdomains from website builders. So some website builders offer free subdomains. This means you get domains like yourname.builderplatform.com, but you won't get a completely custom name. So some popular website builders offering free subdomains. So we got Wix, Weebly, WordPress, and Blogger. Number two, free domain from hosting providers, usually for a limited time. So some web hosting providers offer a free domain for the first year when you sign up for their services, typically with a paid plan attached though. So after the first year, you'll be charged for renewal. So web hosting providers with free domain offers. So we got Bluehost offers a free domain for the first year when you sign up for hosting. Hostinger free domain for the first year with selected hosting plans, and we got DreamHost provides a free domain for the first year. But yeah, keep note that after the first year, you'll be required to renew your domain at the standard renewal rate. Number three, free domain extensions, so subdomains. So some services offer alternate domain extensions, not .com or .org, for free. These often have unusual endings but can still serve as a valid domain name. So providers offering free domains with alternate extensions. So we got Freenom, so offers free domains with extensions like .tk, ml, ga, etc. And Infinity Free, so offers free subdomains and allow you to use free domain extensions from Freenom. For non-profit and educational organizations. So if you're a non-profit or involved in education, some organizations offer free domains registration for educational or charitable purposes. So for example, you got GitHub Education offers free domains and hosting for students through the GitHub Student Developer Pack, including .me domains from Namecheap. We've got Google for non-profits that offer free service, including access to domain management to qualified non-profit organizations. Number five, participate in promotions and giveaways. So occasionally domain registrars or hosting providers offer promos where you can get a free domain for a limited time. For example, during a special event or seasonal sale. So keep an eye out on these, but be cautious of hidden fees. Now, some things to keep in mind. So we got renewal fees, as I touched on earlier. Many free domains are only free for the first year. After that, you'll likely need to pay an annual renewal fee. Limited extensions. So free domains often come with unconventional extensions like .tk, .ml, or .ga, which may not appear as professional as traditional ones like .com or .org. Ads. Some providers may place ads on your website in exchange for the free domain, especially with subdomains from website builders. Limited control. So free subdomains, an alternative extension, you often have less control over the domain name and the freedom to move it to another provider.